In today's video, I'll teach you how to do the slip stitch. This is very simple, okay, and the slip stitch can be used for many different purposes. And well, I'll show you this first purpose here, which is usually to close a crochet piece. For example, I made this magic ring here, or magic circle, you can call it both names, and I made it with half double crochet. So can you see that this stitch is a little long? It's a little bit distant from the first one. So in order to close this magic ring, we can make a slip stitch. Okay, this is a very good use of this stitch. So with the loop here and the yarn in my crochet hook, I insert in the middle of the stitch, yarn over and bring it, pull it through like this. Instead of yarning over again, I just pass this loop through the first one like this. And this is my slip stitch. Okay, can you see that now it looks like the magic ring is closed? This is one of the purposes of this stitch. Another use that usually people do is to create a different style to finish the crochet piece, and that's how we are going to continue doing now. So I insert the hook, pull it through, and pass it, and that's what we are going to do now. Okay, we're just going to make slip stitches all around this magic ring. So I insert the hook in the middle of the stitch, pull the yarn, bring it to the front of my crochet piece, and pass this loop through the one that was in my hook. Okay, let's do it again. Insert the hook and pass it through without yarning over. This is my slip stitch. And the slip stitch can be done using the front or the back loops of the crochet piece if you want. So for example, I'll make the front here. You see, I only took the front loop of the next stitch and we do the slip stitch.